What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with Spy Guys, where we take a look at where Spy's been, where it's going, and the trades we could have took during the week. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. So Spy only did one thing this week, guys. Check it out. It went downtown right in there, guys. And guess what? Full transparency, I tried to go bullish here, guys, and we did go up a little bit. And of course, I expected a bigger move, and we did not get it, guys. So I ended up going a little red here. And as we were going down, guys, I had to strangle this thing out. If you don't know how to do strangles, guys, I'm going to leave you a link below. You can come in my Discord. I'll show you how to do it. But as the week went along, guys, I was staying bullish with Spy. And that was not a good thing because I kept buying calls, and look at this, guys. We just kept going down, but these things happen, guys. But good news, next week, guess what's going to happen? We have a very nice move coming up, guys. Now I do want to show you something right here, guys, so you understand how to look at charts. Okay, so this was a support area, guys, and traditionally in the stock market, support areas can turn into resistance, and you can see that right there, guys. I'm going to move this arrow out of the way, and you can see we came down, okay, and then came back up, and it became resistance, guys. Now if I take my Fibonacci tool, guys, and I go all the way to the bottom here, guys, okay, potentially we can go to 750 with Spy. But if I take my Fibonacci from this top here, guys, to this bottom, and I go to the resistance, we're looking at 757. Now, remember that number, guys, 757, because that's going to help you make a lot of money in the stock market. Check it out. Now, if I take a previous resistance area right in here, guys, look at this, okay? It matches up with 757, guys, okay? And remember, when I give you a number, that number is a general area. Don't ever think that's the exact number it has to get to. So now let's go into this again, guys, and let me show you just like I did with the support here, guys, okay? It became resistance. Same thing happens in the reverse. This was resistance, guys, and then this traditionally will turn into support. And this is the area where Spy, if they do come down, guys, on Monday, don't freak out. This is what could happen. They'll hit that resistance area again, guys, and then we'll take off to the races. And guess what? We're going to go after that target there, guys, the 815. And my prediction, guys, okay, my prediction is if we get above this line here, guys, we will see a 20 to 24 dollar move up next week, guys. So you can take your little horizontal line, guys, and mark that off. Okay, so I'm gonna call out 790 area, guys, 790. Remember, if we get past this resistance area, we're gonna make a move up. Now let's go into the 20-minute box, guys. And again, like I told you guys, I was getting bullish on Spy. I was expecting the big move, guys, and I totally ignored that put signal because I thought we were going to reverse, and obviously we did not do that, guys. Now, we did pump. If you look at all these green triangles, guys, these are reversal triangles. This tells me that we are going to go bullish, and we did not. But look at how many came out, guys. That told me they're pumping, they want to go. And of course, me, I'm always super bullish in the market, guys. And on this triangle, right, we did make some money there, guys. And of course, then we went back down, and you can see that the rest of these triangles, guys, we ended up just falling. Okay, now I did not ignore every single triangle, guys. Okay, I look at everything, and look at that. So that was a put I not only jumped into, guys, I had to because of all these failures here, guys. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4 that did not work out for me. 5 did, 6 did, guys. Okay, so now I followed my rules from this point on when we're going down, guys. And if you remember from previous videos, I'm about to show you that once we get under this green line, okay, I stay in the put, guys. I stay in the put. Look at this. We have now passed a green line, and they're going to chop, 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 chop. And your puts or your option contracts get red, and you think they're going to turn around, guys. Stay on the 20-minute. If we do not cross that green line, you stay in that put, guys. Now, another big bearish sign, guys, was this pink line right here. Look at this. We went under the pink line, which is our 200, guys. And I'm going to paint that pink for you. Look at that. Another thing too, guys, once we get past this line, it matches that resistance that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Okay. This is a crucial area. If we get past that, guys, we're going to hit that 790 that I'm talking about. They're going to come strong, guys, and the bears are not going to know what to do. But again, okay, nice put entry here, guys, and then you stay in it until your candles go above it. Now, obviously here, Thursday afternoon, guys, take profits, okay? Nowadays, do not hold anything overnight unless you've got a lot of reward money, guys. So now we got this jump here, guys, and I want to show you something, because if this ever happens to you in the stock market, you have to understand what to do and how to get back in a trade. And it's very simple, guys. I'll walk you through this in my courses. Check this out. So we popped up in the pre-market, guys, and all you have to do is just mark that resistance line off, guys. And I'm going to make that resistance line pretty big so you can see it. Once you get past that, you can jump in the trade, guys, but you need to understand that you have a major resistance area here, guys. We had a major resistance. So if you jumped into a trade here, or if you jumped in off of the 720 strategy that I promote, guys, then you did pretty well with this trade, especially if you're playing QQQ, which goes up higher, guys. But we had two major resistance areas here, guys. This was the first one, and here was the next one, guys. So what do I expect to happen next? They already hit that resistance and they started going down. So this is what you would call a double top, guys. And my expectation and my experience, this is what happens next, guys. They're going to come down and we're going to build a double bottom, guys. We will have a double bottom if they come down here. And you can see this is previous support. So they can come down here, guys, fib it, come down, fib that, and then make a run for that resistance area. And again, like I told you, they're going to pretend that it's resistance, and then they're going to go and they're going to catch the bears in a trap, guys. Don't forget those numbers. So now, guys, I'm giving you the big picture here on the 20-minute, guys, for the week. And I want you to see and remember, don't do what I did, guys. I was super excited and bullish, and I totally ignored the green line on the 20-minute, guys. We never crossed it. We just kept going down, and I could have made some nice cha-ching here, and I didn't until we got down here on Tuesday morning, which is fine. This is going to happen, guys. So I'm very bullish right now in the market, and that's for a reason. I'm going to show you in a minute, but don't forget your green line, guys. If you have the dominator, the green line is automatically populated on your chart, guys. So this was one area here where you can get out of your puts, and here was the second time, guys. So don't forget that you have an indicator. Of course, me being excited, guys, I was in, and then nope, it didn't happen. So don't forget this, guys. You had a nice crossover. We had the green line, and obviously we had a put signal there, and we had a put signal there. So as usual, guys, for the week, I want to highlight, had I not ignored that put signal that is right up here, guys, I could have jumped in the trade here because we were under this green line, guys, and could have monetized $8.62. And then obviously on this one, I did monetize with that triangle there, guys, $4.72. And then on this one as well, look at that, $8.50, guys. Now, the rest of the week, guys, we had just one bullish move left in the market, and that was them trying to get up there, guys, okay? Now, so you had 4 trades you could have taken for the week, and this is what I like to highlight on SPY, guys, on Saturdays with SPY, so you understand how easy it can be if we just pay attention to what our indicator is doing, guys. And I'm going to show you something real quick. If you learn how to use Fibonacci, guys, check this out. We take the top of this put signal, we go down to where they first found support, and then we raise our Fibonacci to the top level, guys. This told us we were coming down to the 761 area, guys. So if you're in doubt, remember, once you see this on the 20-minute and they're resisting, do your Fibonacci so you understand once you get that put signal how far down they're going to come. Now, lastly, guys, I want to show you on the daily time frame, guys. If you have the dominator, check this out. We are in a very good spot right here, guys, and this is why I'm super bullish in the market. We just went under this white line, guys, which means that we are ready to buy. And look at what's happened in the past once we get that signal, guys. And if you're in the Discord, guys, you're going to get the alert. That means we're going to get one of these green triangles right in here. And then we're off to the races, guys. So if you found value in this video, guys, and you want to be notified when the next one comes up, hit the subscribe button. And if you think I did a good job, hit the thumbs up, guys. Help me out. It helps the channel out. We'll see you on the next video.